As you can see guys, this is movable bottom pouring stir casting machine.
हाँ सर.
Now it has been red hotted. Hello guys, this is the, as you can see, this is bottom pouring stir casting machine, and I will be explaining all the switches that are in this machine. This is the this is emergency stop. First you should know emergency stop, and this is the power on and off. Now currently is the power will be here. It will be here. To on this one we have to use this switch. After turning on that switch, we have another switch to open the pouring switch, that is this one. Without this switch we will unable to open the pouring switch. And after that, here it is stirrer, and the stir now currently it is off, and to make, this is the stirrer. As you can see, this is the stirrer, and here it has blades. And to make stirrer, after turning on, we have to make stirrer up and down, we have to use these two buttons. And here it comes the stirrer speed. To control the stirrer speed, we have to use this roller, and the stirrer speed will be shown here. And to turn on the stirrer, this set, it is belongs to mode. To turn on the mode, we have to switch this on, and here now mode is currently on. And as you can see, temperature in the mode, that mode will be inside this one. That mode will be mode's temperature is currently showing this one. To turn on mode, we have to use this switch, and here it comes the second switch, and it is preheater. Here you can see, here it is preheater. Now currently we have already put the reinforcement already has been currently placed inside this. Now we are preheating this one, and this is the these are the switch belongs to preheater. And we are already switched on, and the preheater temperature we have already set. To set the temperature, we have to use these buttons to set preheat temperature. After reaching the your temperature, it will not going to increase further more, that we have set the temperature. This is the importance of this one. And it is the melt temperature, and what current it is melting, molten metal is melting on that current temperature. And green number shows that we are set the temperature to 720. 710 degrees Celsius, and currently it is in 668 degrees Celsius, and it is furnace temperature. Furnace we have set to 800 degrees Celsius, and it is already on, and this is it, and it shows voltage in the mains, and those are also voltage. This is it, guys.
ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇದು.
ಸಿಗತ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಬ್ಲಾಗ್.
ಯಾಕೆ ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಬಾ, ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ?
ಎಲ್ಲಿ?
ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀಯ? $556.
69 ಬೇಕಾ?
69.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
ಹಾಕು.
ಅಜಿತ್ ವೆಂಟ್ರೋ
ರಾತ್ರಿ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ರಾತ್ರಿ 3 ಗಂಟೆವರೆಗೆ ಕೂತಿದ್ದೆ, ನಿದ್ದೆ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್,
ಸರ್ ನಾನು
ಯಾಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಟಲ್ ಅಲ್ಯೂಮಿನಿಯಂ ತಿಪ್ಪೇಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಬೇಕಾ? Guys, now currently it is already has melted. Now we have to turn on the power on your ತಿಪ್ಪೇಸ್ವಾಮಿ power on ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. See, powering switch is on. It is how it works. As you can see, it is how it works. Now the stirrer is going inside, and we have to press that button long. We have to press and hold that button so that the stirrer will reach the metal inside, and stirrer speed already for each part we have to slowly increase the stirrer speed. Now guys, we can control the stirrer speed here. You can see the variation of stirrer speed here. When I rotate, you can see the variation of stirrer speed. We can increase the stirrer speed also. Now it has preset to 444.
ನೋಡಿ, ಫೋರ್ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡೀನಿ. ಶಬಾಷ್.
ತುಂಬಿ ಕಷ್ಟ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ?
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಉಳ್ಕೊಳೋದು ಏನು ಉಳ್ಕೊಳೋದು ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಬೀಳ್ತದೆ.
ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ಯಲ್ಲಿ
ಇದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಂಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ ಸರ್
ಅದಷ್ಟು
ನಾರಲ್ಲಿ.
ಅದನ್ನ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡು.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಹ್ಞೂ
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಟೈಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 6 8 ಅನ್ನಲ್ಲ
12 ಅಲ್ಲ.
ಏ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಹಾಂ ಸರ್ ಆನಾಗಿದೆ. ಆಯ್ತು.
Bottom pouring strip casting machine currently working. Now we have already put the molten metal, that is sorry, now we have put the metal that is currently aluminum. It will melting inside. And this is thermocouple as you know. Set the temperature of the molten here shows the melting degree. The metal has already get melted. Set the temperature because of this thermocouple. We can insert this thermocouple inside the furnace. And we this whole process takes place in 40 minutes. This is our average time that we take to get.
ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ ಸರ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್. ಹಾಂ ಸರ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಹಾಂ ಸರ್ ಇನ್ನು 6:30 ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
As you can see guys, this is thermocouple. We can insert here, and it is we can insert and here also. And the stirrer, once we turn, now I will be putting this inside. And you can check the molten metal. You can check the metal. Still it is melting inside. I'll show you. Hello guys, this is preheater. As you can see, now we are currently switched on the preheater, and we have already inserted the mold inside this one. We have put the mold inside this one to preheat the mold. And now currently you can see, now we have set the temperature to 500 degrees Celsius. Now it has reached 520 to 23 Celsius, but it will not going to rise the temperature because we have already preset now. That's why it will be maintaining only 20 degree will be lapse. After that it will not going to raise the its temperature more than 500 degree, but it has already reached 20 degree more. But okay, we to set the temperature we have to use these keys. And as you can see, this voltage it is showing, and to power on and off we have to use this button. And I don't know heating, I don't know this one. And this is called high temperature furnace, 900 degrees Celsius. And you can see the specifications if you want. And if you want I can show you, but currently I cannot show you inside, but I will show you in later video. See you next guys. Bye.
ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಹಾಂ ಸರ್.
ನೋಡಿ
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
The best.
ಇದು ಸಕಲ
Yes sir.
ಎವ್ರಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ.
Yes sir.
ಆ ಕಡೆ ಇಟ್ಕ
ಹಾಂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಡೀತದೆ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಹೋಗಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದೇನು
ಈ ಲಾಲ್ ತೆಗಿ